How was your maths exam, Jacob? I failed. Please don't tell Dad. Dad, Jacob failed his exam.
You failed?
I think he's been playing too much Pokemon, Dad.
That's it. Give Travis all of your Pokemon cards.
What? I spent my whole life getting these.
If you don't stop failing, you'll end up being a paperclip straightener.
That's not fair. Unfortunately, that's just what you get for having a low IQ. Go away, Travis. You wouldn't even answer a single question. Try me. Fine. Name one good reason why you picked Bulbasaur as your starter Pokemon.
I think your teacher was playing a prank on you, son.
What do you mean?
It's a trick question. There's no good reason to ever choose Bulbasaur.